Hey everybody, it's Dave, Holiday for Two. Hope you're having a good day. Hope you have a good week. We got sent a cooler from a company called Bodega, and they have these coolers available on Amazon, so I'm going to show you the cooler that they sent us, and we've been trying it out on one of our camping trips. And it's a 38 quart single zone Bodega cooler. Has the app control, so I'll show you and give you kind of my little feedback and what I think about it. Here we go. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Stay tuned. I'll tell you about the Bodega 38 quart single zone cooler. Let's go.
I'm hoping I can take a holiday and spend some time with you. Trying hard to take some time away and have a peaceful day or two. So someday when my ship comes in, I know just what we'll do. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two. We'll pack our bags and quit our jobs and have a holiday for two.
Well, we just got this, it came in about a week ago, and we wanted to try it out on our camping trip. So this is the Bodega 38 quart single zone cooler. I've got my power box here set up, and actually it's still 77%. It's not even running right now. It's set at 38 degrees, and there's an app that you can download for the iPhone, for the Android. Actually, when you get the manual that comes with it, it has a QR code that you can either download the Android app or the Apple app on the Apple Store, and it lets you do a little tweaking and stuff on the app. The app kind of lets you go in and do some tweaks on it, but otherwise you really don't need the app, which is nice, because when you're out camping, you don't want to fiddle around all the time with your phone, but you can. There is an app that you can download on your phone. Basically, how you do it is just plug it in. There's a 12 volt adapter here. They also have an AC adapter that you can plug one of these. I've got it at home, but you can plug this into the wall. But this goes into the 12 volt plug right here. And it's not even running. It's set at 38 degrees. But we're up in the mountains, as you can see. And it's got down to about 40 degrees last night, so really it didn't need to run a whole lot. That's probably why it's still 77%. But it's nice. I've been running this now for it's Saturday, and I've been running it since Wednesday afternoon. And I did make sure it got charged up Thursday, yesterday, when we arrived up here on Thursday. So it's been running for 2 days. And I have a solar panel I can plug into this and charge. This is a 600 watt output, roughly about 400 watt hour solar battery from All Power. And if you're interested in looking into one of these, but you can use any of these solar batteries and stuff, but this is just one from All Power. This is a nice one I carry around. I'll put a link down for this one, but they have different ones. Let me pull this off for a minute and show you what it looks like inside. I mean, there's lots of room in here. This is a single zone, so this doesn't have a divider that you can separate into. At least I'm pretty sure it's just a single zone. They do make a dual zone that you can actually have a freezer and a refrigerator section. But I like these that I always just set these up so you can just keep this about 38 degrees. And if you put, these are all nice and cold. As you can see, there's lots of room. This is a 38 quart So I have a room enough here for a 12-pack. I could actually put another 12-pack in here and stick it in here. And close this up. I like this locking lid too. And so, it's been working really good. It's keeping everything really cold. I have another one that I keep in the motorhome in the bottom. And these are just nice to take with you. I'm probably going to put this in the cargo trailer. So when we go camping in the cargo trailer, I can put that one. I'm winding up with a couple of these now, but they are so handy. The only thing that I got to tell you is you do need to have some way of running these off a battery. One of those solar generator battery packs, like a Jackery, Blue Eddy, EcoFlow. I mean, there's so many different kinds out there now. I don't want to tell you that there's a specific kind. You want something that's at least got 400, 500 watt hours of capacity and can output. This thing only runs on, it needs about 35, 40 watts. Because this, I have it set on eco mode. It's been running about 35 watts when it's running. Okay, because we're in the mountains right now and it's cool. In the summertime, it'll probably need to run a lot longer. But like last night, it was 40 degrees last night for a low, so it really didn't have to run. But I'll put a link here for Bodega. There's a discount code. I'll put everything down below in the description for you. So if you're interested in one of these, check them out from Bodega. And they're on Amazon. So check them out. If you're looking for something to take with you when you go camping, they're really handy. I gotta tell you, I just love these things. Hope you found this helpful. The Bodega Single Zone 38 quart cooler. Fun. Have a great day, everybody. Oh, it's just nice to get camping again.